Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, N to the K to the E to the M.
You know, Nkem Knows, that kind of thing. Before we start the video, let's go straight right into the intro.
It's raining, but I don't need an umbrella. Standing in your rain is where I wanna be.
I'm going to Welcome back guys. So today you guys are going to be going with me into my little closet. It's still small, but you know, you have to manage. But first of all, did you miss me? Because I didn't miss you. I missed you so much. I had to come back and make a little video for you. But first of all, if you haven't liked the last video, you haven't clicked the subscribe button, you did not even share the last video, how do you sleep at night? Like, anyways, if you haven't liked this video, make sure you like this video, you subscribe, you share the video. I know you're wondering what's under my head, or what is under this my head. Did I say my head? Under my head, under this hat. I'm sorry. Like, I know you're wondering what's under this hat, because you cannot mind your business. I know.
Anyways, if you want to see horrible, like
nobody to make hair for me in this place, but it's okay. So anyways, let me hide my shame. We're gonna go straight right into the video. I'm going to be showing you guys my closet. And you're going to be doing like a dress up with me. I'm going to do my makeup. You're going to stick right with me because you don't have a choice. Oh, sorry. So yeah, we're going to be going into my closet as I promised you. We're going to be wearing this. I said we because we are all wearing these outfits together. But I'm going to be wearing this fur jacket from Morgan. I don't know who Morgan is, but who cares? And I'm going to be pairing it with these boots Esther gave to me. You don't know Esther, but she's our friend now. You don't have a choice. Yeah. And I got this hat yesterday from Penny's Primark, as it's normally called, for just €8. Can you imagine? And we're going to be adding a little summer feel with this hat because, you know, in this country I am, it's a confused weather. It can be sunny, but it's very cold, so we're going to dress confused today. If you want to see the end of this, if you want to see how it turns out, you better don't touch that dial. So guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so weird, I know. Who cares? Anyways, we're going to rush into the video right now because no time to waste, no time to see. You know? My makeup. Am I with the got to be? Am I supposed to put that on my face? Someone please ask me. First of all, I'm going to mess with right? I'm going to moisturize my face with this Revolution Skincare London. It has like SPF 30 in it, so it's gonna help me protect my face. That's a little bit too much, but rub it in. This is a plus, so if you don't know how to do makeup, now see, I'm going to teach you. If you don't know how to dress up, I'm going to teach you. What more do you need from me? I'm just an angel. Triple. I talk too much, I think. Do I? I don't know. Tell me, BC, do I talk too much? Who is BC? Anyways, my dear.
it's gonna be a quick one with makeup. I don't come here condom this time. No time to waste. Just going to put this foundation from Zikel. It's a Nigerian brand, but you know, it's really good on my face. I like how it feels on my face, so that's what I'm gonna be using today. That's a little bit too much, but normal is boring, you know. That's why I cannot be normal in this life.
Anyways, how do you guys feel going back to normal life? For me, it's a little bit. I think I need to remove this hat, though. I beg. If you don't love me like this, you never have choice. That's the thing. You don't have a choice. You have to love me. Foundation is too much. What do I do? Like, it's so much. I look like a guy. I also look like a freaking guy. So guys, I'm just trying to blend in, you know.
Guys, did you miss me? I wasn't gone for so long. I was just gone for a few minutes. What am I doing now? My ginger died down. Like, no more hyper. But okay. I'm just trying to get this makeup done. I'm just trying to act out. I own the makeup, so I'm gonna roll over this makeup. I don't know what I'm saying.
Yeah, I'm feeling this look, man. Like, this for eyeshadow from Revolution Makeup London. Mad. I used the shade Unconventional and the shade Individuality, because I'm an individual. Of course. Then this exclusive, because I am too exclusive.
Hey guys, I'm back. We're almost done with the look. We're going to be using this MAC lipstick. As I said, we're going to be wearing these 4 jackets. So I'm just wearing the boots from Esther, my friend. I told you Esther is our friend now, so yes. Yeah. This is the final look. I hope you loved it. Like I said, this was just the boots from my friend, and this jacket is from Morgan. I don't know who Morgan is till now, but it's okay. And this hat is from Primark. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you so much. It's your girl, N to the K to the E to the N. Question is, who's going to fix this room now? Who? Somebody come and help.